Darn it. Oh, oh darn. Whew, my, I must be tired. I guess it's this thing I need to hit. This darn artery shrinker is gonna kill me yet. But it's just so addicting, huh? Must have got it plugged up because of all the steam at the stove there. Oh, darn, what am I thinking? Oh, that's better. Oh, this is gonna kill me yet, this artery shrinker.